Yo, what's up guys? Welcome back to Yak Fishing with Manny. We out here at Braunig Lake one more time. Yeah, so I'm out here today just trying out the new Bixby motor. I got the K1 motor, the through hole mount. It's literally right here where my pedals go. So far I'm liking it. I've only been on the water for maybe like 10 minutes, so I really don't know. But yeah, we're just out here testing this out. Hopefully we could get hooked up on some reds. This is like a crazy thing that I never would have thought I would have had. They're kind of pricey, but yeah, let's go try to get this, catch some redfish, and I'll be back on if I catch them. If not, I'll just leave a review on what I think about the Bixby K1 motor, and we'll go from there. All right guys, we're hooked up. It feels pretty nice, honestly. I gotta get this other rod in though before I get tangled. Yeah, I think he bit it and I didn't set the hook, so he wasn't there. But now he's on there though. On this side. God. Pretty nice one, guys. Not bad. All right, got the other rod in finally. Oh yeah, it's a decent one. Come on, get in here, baby. There it is, boys. Check them out. Look at that. Yeah, I found a school, man. There's a big school right here. There's a lot of boats around me, kind of, or they're that way, but they just saw me catch this one, so hopefully they don't come this way. The motor's a freaking world of a difference, I'll tell you that. You don't get tired. You're just straight, you know, trolling the whole time. You don't have to worry about anything else. Check that out. Check them out. Not a bad deal. I say maybe like 22, maybe. Let's measure them out though. Oh, he's a little bit bigger than I thought, guys. He's 24. Put him on the stringer, take some pictures. And then I'm gonna release him after that. All right, guys, we're hooked up again. Literally 2 minutes after I just cast it out. and we're hooked up again. I was about to get the other rod out, and boom, hooked up. Let's try to get him in. This one's singing, guys. Yeah, this might be a tank. Look at that. Y'all hear that? Oh yeah, this is a tank, guys. He was way out there too. I just let it sit. I literally just let it sit out there. I was just about to get my other rod out, and boom, I see this rod go off again. Yeah, I don't know if he's big. He looks decent, I guess. He's already on top of the water. I guess he's tired. But they're stacked, guys. Stacked, stacked, stacked. My fish finder, I finally got, finally able to see the side scan. Man, what a difference. Oh yeah, this is a bigger one. Try to fight him on the right. Oh, he's trying to use his fins. Don't do it. Don't do it. Again, guys, what a tank. Holy crap. Boom, check them out. Yeah, they're schooled. Schooled right here. And they're feeding right now, so hopefully, you know, I continue to hook up on the lot. They swallowed it, guys. Swallowed it. Oh yeah, it's way in there. Guys, I got a new PB, baby. He's sitting at 28 inches, guys. 28. Oh my god. Like I said, there's a school right here. They're going nuts. Oh my god. Let's get this guy on the stringer too so we can get some pictures after. We're still gonna let him go though. Oh. Well, he came off the fish grips, so there goes that one for a picture, but we'll catch some more. Let's go get them. All right, guys, we're hooked up again. Number four. They're going crazy right here. This is nuts. Oh my god. Like I said, they're biting like crazy, guys. I don't know what it is right now, but they're going in. I lost that other one. That other one was freaking massive, guys. I'm not even playing. Like that fish felt like it was huge. I mean, of course, I didn't catch him, but oh, he's swimming at me. This one's a little smaller. Yeah, this is a small guy. nothing less though, guys, man. This is crazy. It's freaking, oh my god. I'll be honest, I've never really had it like this. Like to where the fish are biting like this, like crazy. Y'all want to see me measure him every time? Put it in the comments below. Honestly, when it's a fish like this little, y'all can see he's probably maybe like 18, 17. But yeah, if y'all want to see me do that every time, let me know. And I'll just measure him out every time. Guys are hooked up again. Are y'all looking for reds? They're all stacked right here where I'm at. Yeah. Check them out, guys. Been hooking up like crazy. $22.25, guys. $22.25. I'll put them on a stringer so I can take some pictures afterwards, but yeah, put them on a stringer. Alright, guys, I'm hooked up again. Let's get them in. Feels like a pretty nice one. Saw these on the side scan, guys. I started heading towards them and I was like, no, there's no way. Oh, it's a pretty one. pretty guy. Has all these spots and everything. Looks nice. Not a bad fish. This one's 23 3/4. Put them on the stringer and then I'm gonna head back in. I caught my limit today. Realistically, I could have caught maybe like 5 or 6 or 7, but some of them were just coming off. I don't know what it was. I know with the swim bait though, every time I would hook up, I would try to set the hook and then boom, they were gone. But yeah, I got my limit, got 3. I might do like another quick little pass just to, you know, see if I could catch anything else, and then after that I'm just gonna head in. The wind's getting up there. It's about 10 miles per hour right now, so yeah, I'll probably just get off the water after that. But I'll close it out here soon. If I catch another one, I'll be back on. If not, let's close it out and yeah, put it on a stringer. Yo, what up guys? So I'm about to end the video here. Man, today was a blast, guys. Today was a blast. A lot of things went my way, especially with this this new mount I have. I'll show y'all once I get to the bank, but I do have a new mount from Kayak. Man, that thing was letting me do the side scan was a whole game changer. I'm not like it was crazy with that. But being able to use side scan, regular sonar at the same time, man, it was a change in the difference. Like it was totally different. It was crazy. Usually the transducer mounts like literally right here underneath the kayak, but now, you know, I have it on the side, and I'll show y'all once I get there again. But yeah, having the transducer here and being able to use side scan was a whole change. Being able to see that those schools are there was totally different with the side scan. But yeah, so another thing about the Bixby, man, that thing that's another game changer. It was totally different from, you know, just doing this all day and getting tired, and I'm just literally just chilling here, sitting here. I did fish for about, I think right now, let's check. It's been almost 3 hours, and I still got 2 bars left of the Bixby battery. So I mean, usually I don't really fish for that long, maybe 4 hours at most, and I was running it on all the way up, so 12 notches in order to get here, just back to the bank. So other than that, if I would have just stayed, you know, just cruising the whole way and still trying to fish, it would have been, you know, it would have lasted forever. Probably like, you know, a good 5-6 hours. But yeah, I mean, it lasted 3 hours, and it's still going right now. I still have it on, so it wasn't a bad day. Caught, I think it was 5 fish. I don't really know. I did hook up on maybe like 6 or 7. A couple of them came off. There's one big one. I knew it was big because it did not want to come up, and that's the one that came off. I'll put it here in the video so y'all can check it out. Even though I broke off, well, it didn't break off, but it came off. I'll still put it in the video so y'all can check that out. And yeah, man, thanks for tuning in. Again, leave a like, leave a comment, subscribe if you're not subscribed yet, and I'll let y'all check these fish out real quick. Boom, guys, check that out. 3 of them. All right, I'm about to head back in, guys. Until next time, we'll see y'all again, baby. Peace.
Artlist.io